السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. In this video, we are going to learn that what do you want to become in this world? Do you want to become the great? Do you want to become the just? And do you want to do the justify? So, in today's video, we are going to learn a great king who was not a great, beside great, he was just. Let's start this story. So, in this story, we have a nice and good lesson that what do you want? Do you want to become the wealthy? Yeah, do you want to become the very learned person? So, in our life, we should become the just. We can justify, we can tell the truth. Even though we have the full power, we have the wealth, but we should justify. So, in a very famous city in Iraq, there is a very famous city. That city name is Baghdad. In Baghdad, there was a very big palace. There was a king, very famous king, and he had a very great palace. So in that time, in those days, so it was the world famous palace was there, and from all over the world, people used to go there, and people used to visit that palace. So, but in front of that palace, there was a small hut. An old woman used to live in that hut. In front of grand door, in front of main door, an old poor woman used to live in that hut. So, obviously, here is a great grand palace in front of main door, in front of grand door, from where all the peoples come and visit and see this palace. So direct in front of that grand and main door, one small hut is there. So obviously no one like that. The king, he can do anything. Once he order, so the people can remove that hut within a second. So he has the full power. But what happened? So when the wazir saw this, in front of grand door, one hut is there. In that hut, an old woman lives there. So the wazir got angry. The wazir took one bag, and in that bag kept some amount, and went near that old woman and told her that, see, old woman, take this much of amount, and better than this your hut, you can make one your house. Take this much of money. But that old woman replied, that old woman said that, no, I will not take any money, because I was born in this hut only, and I will die in this hut only. I never leave this hut. After listening that woman's answer, the wazir got angry, and he was about to order the people that burn this hut in front of palace and in front of grand door, in front of main door. He about to order that burn this hut. So the king came out from his palace and saw all the battered dirt in front of main and grand door. There is a hut and there is a one woman who is living there, and whatever the wazir did, wazir is doing his job, he does not like. So now that king stopped the wazir. No, 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 don't burn that hut. And the king explained that, see, from whole world people are coming and they are visiting and they are watching my big grand palace. So what they will tell? They will tell, if they look and see my palace, they will tell that this is a very great palace. But when this hut also will be there in front of main gate, grand door, people will tell that, oh, what a nice, great, just king who justify. There is a just king is there. So in this video, we learn that in our life, the one great thing is that we should justify. We should become a just person. Thank you for watching my videos. Please say and comment anything, and please remember me in your dua. Thank you very much.